Shalom, aloha. Uh, um, how's everybody tonight? It's 10:31. Making this video. Just doing some research on Michigan child support. Trying to let brothers know it's a service. I got the remedies right here for you, and it's simple. It ain't hard. Y'all ready for this lecture? Let's go. State Court Administrative Office. State Court Administrative Office, people. Now look at that. Article what? 4 Section 3 shall appoint an administrator of the courts and other assistants of the Supreme Court as may be necessary to aid in the administration of the courts of the state. The Supreme Court has administrative oversight of Michigan's courts and exercises the oversight through the State Court Administration Office. Let's go to the Michigan Constitution. Okay? What did I say? Article 4, Section 3. I'm going to show y'all where they missed something out. Alright? This part right here. The administrator shall perform administrative duties assigned by the court. Do you know what administrative duties are? Paperwork. Like administrative assistant, secretary, you know what I'm saying? That's a part of the executive branch, which the legislators make rules and policies, not laws. You know what I'm saying? Laws been here before statutes and rules. Okay. Let me show you that is missing. The administrator shall perform administrative duties assigned by the court. Do y'all see it? Huh? May. It may not. Mother, may I? May, June, July. You know what I'm saying? Find out what May means. Let's look up administrative duties. What administrative duties are. We're gonna Google that. And you can go to some more references. That's what I do. I have fun. What are administrative duties? What is administrative duties? What does administration mean?
Administration. The process or activity of running a business, organization, etc.
This is a business, people, of the executive branch. You know what I'm saying? I do my homework and I study. Because you know what? This is Sham Stoppers. This is the Expert Child Support Educational Center. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm about to freestyle. I'm gonna show y'all what time it is. See all this court forms? See that over there, court forms? Let me zoom in. Recent communications. Let me go forward. Offices and programs. Okay. Look at this crazy. Look, you know what services is, right? Friends of the Court Bureau. Judicial Information Systems. Okay, let's go to, y'all want to see what bureau means? Bureau. It's an office for transaction of business, a name given to several departments. We all know who use the Better Business Bureau. You know what I'm saying? Tobacco Firearms Bureau. The Bureau of Tobacco Firearms, excuse me. Of the executive or administrative branch of government or their divisions. As applied to division of an administrative department, the term may include the operating force. Okay. Let's go to the Friend of the Court Handbook, courtesy of Michigan. You know what I'm saying? Let me see, can I come over here? Bureau, there we go again. They want some money. Some business people. I'm gonna break some simple shit down real quick. It ain't gonna take long. Okay. Duties. Who has duties? You don't have a duty. You have rights. They have duties and obligations. And FOC, Friend of a Court Officer, serves each circuit court's family division. Look at their duties. Provides forms that parties may use to file motions. Don't file a motion and don't file a petition. They both the same thing. And a petition means to beg, and the motions to use they want to use emotions on your ass when they get mad when you hit them with the truth. So do your own paperwork. What law says you can't use your paperwork? Huh? The FOC has no authority. None. But they want to put 2. Investigate abuse or neglect, change in order, investigate criminal activity, give legal advice. Then what the fuck y'all want, what do y'all want to do with people's business? You know what I'm saying? Ain't your fucking business. Administer. The FOC officer administers certain aspects. Administer, add. What's a minister? Minister in the pulpit, right? So that judge, that so-called motherfucker acting like a judge, got that robe on, and he see you as his minister, you know what I'm saying? And it's an occult, you know. So they want to minister to you, and you gotta obey. So they want to they want to add some shit while he ministering, and adjudicating your ass. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Human Health Services. Social Security Act. Hold on, it's gonna get better, people. Shit. Service, excuse me. The plaintiff must arrange for the defendant to be served with a summons and a copy of the complaint. People, fucking complaint. That means you complaining and whining and shit. Get a claim filed against they motherfucking asses for lying. The summons tell the defendant to answer the complaint. Whenever minor children are involved in spousal support is ordered. This handbook must also be given to the defendant. If y'all ain't get this handbook, null and void. Let's say you got 21 days to answer the complaint. The defendant does not answer within 21 days. The judge may or he may not enter order granting the plaintiff's request. Fuck request. I want to require. You know, they can turn down your request at any time. After both complaint and answer have been filed, the court usually holds a hearing. People don't know what a hearing means. To come, they want to hear what you have to say. Hearing, you know, information that needs from the parties involved at the hearing. Recommendations. Well, I may recommend that you use 530, 520 for your car, but I can also recommend you to use synthetic. See how it is? That's how they work on you people, man. Court orders. Who the fuck is a court? Huh? Who? For a court decision to be enforced, the court must sign a written order. Summarizing means it's a summons. It's decision. In cases where the party is unrepresented by an attorney who twists the truth, often called improper. They don't want to say proper persona, right? Now, per se means prosecutor. You know what I'm saying? Put that together. Prosecutor. They play these word games, y'all. It is not enforceable until a judge signs it and signed order is filed, oh my God, with the county clerk. Y'all gotta excuse me, I'm getting tired. You know what I'm saying? I've been studying this all day, breaking this shit down. If the party disagrees with the order and wants to challenge it, the party may file a motion. See? Don't do that. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to fly through and let y'all see this bullshit. Referee. Who the referee? Referee decision. A referee is not a judge. Stop lying, it is. Why he got on black? But performs some tasks on behalf of a judge who presides over the case. Look at that. I'm gonna let y'all read it. Emotion. Bear with me, people. Like I said, don't file that shit. File your own paperwork. Look at that. Other enforcement remedies. The FOC must report arrearage, loans, debt to a consumer credit reporting agency. See? Also, the FOC may place a lien, or they may not. That's up to you to decide. Not no fucking court. Because a court can't grow arms and tell you what the fuck to do, how to conduct your business and handle your property. I'm telling you, it's going to get better. The enforcement of a judge oral ruling. Now, listen how stupid this is. This is so dumb. Why won't the FOC enforce what the judge said in court, even if it's not in the written order? The FOC enforces written orders. I thought they didn't have no authority. Right? Right. If you think the written order does not say what the judge said, the court first to speak to the person who prepared the order who requests the change. If necessary, you can file a motion and ask for the court to correct the order. Get the fuck out of here, man. Can the FOC enforce property settlement provisions? Y'all check out that word in my judgment of divorce. No, the FOC has no authority to enforce the court's property division order. They ain't got no authority, y'all. There we go. May I review? See, they acting like they got the power, but we have the power. We the people. And I'm gonna show you at the end of this lecture. Parties and attorneys are entitled to see most information of their FOC file. There are exceptions to certain confidential documents. FOC may charge a reasonable fee for a copy and record. See there? That's their shit. And I'm gonna show you why it says their shit. If the FOC office will not let you see its files, they already says they shit. It's their paperwork. It's not your case. It's their case against you. Their cause. Stop saying you have a child support case. You didn't assign it. They assigned it to you. You may file a motion asking the court. You may beg asking the court to intervene on your behalf to allow access. May other corporations see my FOC file? Look, FOC file is not public information. Look at that shit, man. May I see my child's school? Man, please. Let me catch myself asking motherfucker for permission for my property, my offspring. Will the FOC help establish paternity? No. The Department of Human Health Services and prosecuting attorney office work together to establish paternity. That's conflict of interest, people. Conflict of fucking interest. Look at this. Citizens Advisory Committee. Wow. Let me get to the good shit. A grievance. How do I file a complaint about the FOC? How do I whine? Who I whine to? Complaining and shit. Fuck that complaining, man. Either a man or a bitch. Party may file agreements about the FOC operation or employees. They supposed to be paying child support, people. How do I report misconduct of a judge or a referee? They give out recommendations, people. Judge is a referee. Let's go through these terms. Y'all know what a rearage is. I already showed y'all what a rearage was, right? Huh? Business term. Amount past due obligation. It's a stop. Loans. See that, loans? You know what I'm saying? Loans, people. Fucking loans. We already know what the Human Health Services mean. They provide service. Friend of the court helps enforce court orders. Conflict of interest. Jurisdiction is the court's power to decide cases that become for it. That come before it, yeah. Motion. A formal written request that a court take a specific action. Motion is sometimes called a petition. I mean the big people. Payer, obligor, show cause. Show cause hearing. You know why they gonna show cause hearing on your ass? They can show cause you didn't motherfucking pay. They can show your ass where the door at to go to jail. Stop being volunteers, people in Michigan. Summons is a notice from the court that someone has initiated a case against you. TANF is the largest program funded by TANF dollars. You already know what Title 4D services is. Title for your dick services. Yeah, it's title for your dick. Y'all can find that. Y'all already know what it is. Michigan Child Support Formula Manual. Y'all ready for me to break this shit down? Huh? Y'all already know what guideline is. Look at that shit. The formula establishes the support obligation of both parents. Amount should be. Deviation from the formula. Look at that shit. If I'm going too fast, pause it, read it. Look, a parent is a minor. A parent is a minor. Everything that I'm in, all his videos, man, were the truth. Real talk, man. Don't let this fall on deaf ears. Brothers and sisters in child support in Detroit, wherever y'all at, if you're on child support, you volunteered. I'm just being honest. You volunteered for child support. They didn't say you couldn't file your paperwork, now did they? They want you to file their paperwork so they can get your ass, right? Arrearage loan guidelines. Look at that. Prorating and rounding. Man, that's extortion, man. Why they continue you to bill? You don't owe child support to a who? You owe child support to a what? A who is not a what? Here go the kicker, people. That's the big slap in the face right here. Y'all see that shit? Huh? All officers, legislative, executive, and judicial, before entering upon duties, the respective officers shall take, subscribe the following oath or affirmation. I do solemnly swear and affirm that I will support the Constitution of the United States. Y'all know what time it is. Huh? Y'all know what time it is, man. Shit, man. Look at this. Passport may be denied. Did it say they will? Now, so when you go in there and get a passport, your ass follow it. You can't get it. Well, who said it? Put that in writing, motherfucker, that you said it. Put it with your wet signature that you said I can't get it. I don't know what a fucking court is. Who's the fucking court? Huh? Here go the kicker right here. Contempt of court. Bench book. 4th edition. Shit. What is the definition of contempt of court? I want to wrap it up right there. You take your asses down there if you want to. Let me zoom in some more. Let me let you read. Contempt of court is a willful act, omission, statement that tends to impair the authority and impede functioning of a court. You willfully, voluntarily going down there. Examples of contempt of court include disruption of courtroom behavior. If you do go down there, let your paperwork do the talking. Failure to appear in court when required. Who required? Is a man required? Does it say a man have to require it? Failure to testify when required and failure to obey a court order. What, you got a ruler to obey? So you gonna obey they little sheet of paper, right? You better rebut that shit. Look at that shit. The law's in y'all face, people. Pay attention. Like I said, my energy costs. You know, I had one fool